In this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark a website in the Brave browser. First, open Brave and go to the page you want to save. At the top of the browser, next to the address bar, you'll see a small bookmark icon. When you hover over it, it says Bookmark this tab. Click on that icon. As soon as you click it, a small window will appear where you can edit the name of the bookmark and choose where you'd like to save it. You can select the Bookmarks bar for quick access, choose another folder, or create a new one. Once you're ready, click Done, and your bookmark will be saved. If you don't see the Bookmarks bar at the top of your browser, you can enable it from the menu in the top right corner by going to Bookmarks and turning on Show Bookmarks bar. You can also use the shortcut control, plus Shift+B to toggle it. To view or organize all your saved bookmarks, open the menu again and select Bookmark Manager or press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. From there, you can move, rename, or delete any bookmarks. And that's how you bookmark a page in the Brave browser. Thanks for watching.